Hi guys, so this is actually an update of my room tour, and right now I've actually changed my linens into purple color. So this is how my bed looks like right now. And then if you will notice, I've actually got a new long pillow, the Dream Edition, to match the pillow I used before in my previous video. So this is actually a dream edition of the pillows that I have, and if you will notice, we have Jimmy and Cookie sleeping dolls also in my bed. So I love this color combination because it's actually like very pleasing to the eye, and yan, cute niya, diba? And of course, I've actually selected a purple mat that comes with it, and then also a purple thin curtains to match naman yung aking yung parang photo curtain ko dito. It's a very nice and then I will show you also some of my do-it-yourself items na ginawa ko para magkaroon ako ng mga items that will match also my theme for my room later. So right now I have a bathrobe, no? So it's very hard kasi to find a matching colors that will actually blend with some of the items I have. So naisip ko, I'll just buy a patch, and then since I have a purple bathrobe and a towel, nilagay ko na lang yung mga patches para medyo meron tayong BT21 na bathrobe and towel. So this is what I did. So I put the patches and the bathrobe. Cute niya. So yan. Tsura niya. And then of course yung sa towel naman, yan, naglagay din ako ng patches para meron akong theme doon sa aking washroom. And then the other do-it-yourself items I did ay ito, no, yung meron kasi akong natanggap ng birthday ko na parang it's a jewelry box pero it's full of roses, and then since I bought some clips from one of the sellers, nilagay ko na lang sila lahat dyan. So it's actually a combination of a Tiny Tan characters and the BT21 version of them. Then if you will notice, I have a small electric fan here. Actually binili ko siya pero hindi ako masyado nagandahan. So what I did is that I just put some mga stickers, and then some of the labels na nakukuha natin, maybe buy official items. Yan, so ginawa ko na lang siyang ganyan. It turned out to be cute naman. There, diba? Actually, you can make your do-it-yourself items if you don't really have the money to buy the official, kasi medyo talaga namang pricey din sila, no? So you can make your own version. Oh, diba? Nice, no? And then later I will also show some of the new items I bought that were not included in my previous video when I did the room tour. Later. So this is how my washroom looks right now. So you will see yung mga do-it-yourself towel and bathrobe that I've shown earlier. So yan, para lang to match the purple theme I did for my washroom. There.